Good morning, USF students. Welcome back to USF TV News. Today we'll be discussing
Breaking news! This just in, a new way to build up muscle at Larry's gym.
Are you tired of looking like Larry the Lobster? Look like SpongeBob today.
Good morning, USF students. Today we will be discussing what actin and myosin are. Actin and myosin are two proteins involved in muscle contraction. Actin are the thin filaments in muscle tissue, while myosin acts upon actin filaments to generate the force necessary for muscle contractions. Actin and myosin work together to create a force that contracts the cells, facilitating movement in the muscles. With each contraction, muscle cells will grow, producing an increase in muscle mass. Actin and myosin are components of the sliding filament theory. Now over to Amber, who will be explaining to us what that is.
Thank you, Gabby. Have you ever wondered how your muscles move when working out at the gym or even simply walking around campus? Probably not, but I'll tell you anyways. This is due to the process of the sliding filament theory. Muscle contraction occurs when the thin actin filaments slide past the thick myosin filaments, overlapping them. This sliding is caused by a process where the myosin heads interact with the actin, forming cross bridges. As energy is released from ATP, the myosin heads change shape and pull the actin towards the center of the muscle. This repeated sliding of the filaments creates force and makes muscle fibers shorten, resulting in muscle contraction. Now let's check in with Gabby at Larry's gym, aka the USF gym. Please don't copyright us.
This is Gabby Picard reporting live from USF/Larry's gym. Please don't copyright us. Hello, miss. Can you give us some fun facts about muscles?
Well, I do know a couple. For one, did you know that your muscles are made of 75% water? Your largest muscle is your gluteus maximus, and your smallest muscle is in your inner ear. Not only that, but when you're sleeping, you are actually building your muscles. When you're working out with me, you're working towards your skin.
Excuse me, is there anything you can tell us about the different types of muscles?
Let me think. Smooth muscle. Well, smooth muscle is non-striated and involuntary. It actually makes up your cardiovascular system, respiratory system, digestive system. What else does it make up? Digestive system. Oh, renal system and your reproductive system. No matter how fast you eat your food, it takes 24 hours for it to go through your digestive tract. Not only that, you may think, oh, is smooth muscle left out because it's the only non-striated muscle? You're wrong, because it's actually better than the other ones. I will say so, because it has greater elasticity and it can actually tense and relax.
Do you have any facts about any other types of muscles?
Okay, you're still there. Cardiac muscle. It's striated and involuntary. It pumps your heart. Your heart pumps about 2,500 gallons per day, and your heart can actually beat 3 billion times in a person's life. So that's pretty cool, I guess. Leave me alone now, please.
Last thing, do you know anything about skeletal muscle?
No. Okay. Skeletal muscle is striated and voluntary. Use your skeletal muscle when you're chewing, swallowing, inhaling, and exhaling. It actually makes up 30 to 40% of your total body mass. I might be wrong. Don't take my word. What else? Oh, it maintains your body temperature. It acts as a source of nutrients, and it serves as an energy source when you're starving. That's a good. Yeah, that's how I know. Please stop bothering me.
Okay, thank you. Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me.
Well, I mean,
Do you have any jokes?
why did the fish stop working out?
Why?
Because it pulled a muscle.
This is Gabby Picard. Thank you for watching and have a great day.
You're strong.
Do you know anything about skeletal muscle?
No, I don't. Okay, fine. I know a little bit. Why did the fish pull its... No, okay.